Hi, this is Shrikant Nalgadla, online trainer for QTP Selenium and Tosca. And today I want to discuss topic is Tosca related. What is the topic I'm discussing in the Tosca? Yes, and in my last videos I done already how to create the workbook and how to create the worksheet. Okay, that's I discussed already. But now what I'm discussing means this is how to write the data in Excel sheet using Tosca. Yes, I want to write the data. Okay, so how I want to write the data in Excel sheet using Tosca? Simple. That is called T-box define Excel one module, T-box Excel range manipulation another module. This is a two modules based on I'm creating this one. This is already predefined, means a standard module. This is related to standard module, these two. So how I can do it? See, in our Tosca, this is my test case I created. First of all, this one, yeah, already open this one. Means I'm created this already. I discussed in the last videos. And if you want to require and observe in my channel, and you can see. And now to create this, first you want to go for the which sheet you are creating. So this is a workbook name, this is a sheet 4. Okay, in this sheet 4 I'm giving the some range name equal to something. In that cell, which columns you are creating, which column to which column you are entering. See, this is my Excel. This is my Excel. I'm opening this Excel. Yes, in this Excel, yes, this Excel, I'm giving the my column names is this one, name course. But what is that cell starting and ending? This is a A1. Yes, this is a A1. I can go for that up to, I can go for anything, B6, B9, whatever in between you want to write. This is a range you are written. Okay, so and this is sheet 4. That's why I'm giving here. Yes, sheet 4, A1 to B6. In between I want to enter. This is range I'm setting. Now you want to write it and take it this one, T-box Excel range manipulation. See these two where it is available, go for the modules. Yeah, that's only I told in the standard modules and T-box, and this is the X engine. Under the X engine you have the Excel. Under the Excel you have this is one and this is one. Okay, I can drag and drop to here and then I want to write it. Now see, so when you can take test name, what is the you are written the test name in the defining Excel range in this situation, that's the same name you need to provide here also. After providing that one, now you can give the name this one, and what is the name column you want to enter in the Excel. This is a name column, under that, and okay, this is a course column, how you want to enter. So very simple. This is how here if you select here column name, this column name you want to, yeah, this is like the cell is coming, you can select column name, you can write any name. Okay, so like that I enter the name and column. Okay now, so this is I don't need this one, I removed that. Yes, so this is a way name and column, and what value you want to give it. This is if you give it. Okay, then if you run it that one, and it will be executed. Now see, in this third fourth sheet, name is there, column is there. Okay now, but data is not there. See, and save this and I'm closing. See, if you run this test case, right click, run it. See, yeah, it will be start working and executing. Successfully it will be done, and it will be showing also. Yeah, what it will be showing here means very clearly is giving, yeah, name and is enter successfully. Okay, so it's enter successfully or not, where we need to check it. Yeah, in this Excel I'm opening. In this Excel, practically if you see, then we have the confirmation whether it is entering or not. See, it will be entered. Yes, name place Srikant Nalgarla and course face Tosca test suit only. Clear? So this is the way you want to write it only. Clear? Yes, fine. And this is Srikant Nalgarla. And if you want Tosca online training, and please approach with me. And I have my number also given in the previous videos also, if you see, and if you call it, and we can go for the Tosca online training also. And if you like this video, please comment and subscribe, okay, and share it to your friends also. Thank you very much.